Let me try and see what is happening. I am. Are you seeing me now? Okay. That was going on so lovely. The technical difficulties. So let me continue. My name is Miss. So for this week, I'll be doing a 1-hour maths lesson with you. Okay? So go ahead, head up your right, the number strand. That's what we're looking in on today. Alright. And at the end of this lesson, you should be able to distinguish between value, place value, and face value of a digit. And digit is very important in numbers because digits are what we use to make up numbers. There are 10 digits that we use to make up numbers that go on to infinity. What do I mean by infinity? Infinity means numbers go on and on and on. Now, from pictures of numbers, when you go on the road, you see numbers on the street, on the signs, the gates, everywhere. So numbers are everywhere. So we need to get familiar with them. So I have some vocabulary words for you. And I want you, if you know what each mean, you can write it in the chat. Value. What is the value of a number? Place value. What is the place value of a number? Face value. What is the face value of a number? And remember, digit. Digit means there are 10 digits. What is the face value of a number? And remember, 10 digits from 0 to 9. And these 10 digits are what we use to make up numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So those are the 10 digits that we use to make up numbers. And I'm sure that we can count. And we have different range that we can count. I remember when we're counting, all we're doing is adding one each. I get 2 between value, place value, and simple means what is the difference between those 3 terms. Before we look into that, let us look back at our vocabulary. So the vocabulary for today is value, as I said before, place value, face value, digit, whole numbers, counting numbers. Alright? Who can tell me what is the difference between a whole number and a counting number? Waiting patiently as you chart. And that place value system. What do I mean by this? Move from tens to 100 by 1,000. So that is my base 10 system. I will show you a place value chart at the end of this lesson. So place value is the value of each digit in a number. For example, the 5 in 350 represent 5 tens or 5 times 10 or represent 5,000 or 5,000 in words or in numeral 5,000. It is important that you, the children, understand that whilst a digit can be the same, its value depends on where it is in the number. Alright? So that is important. Wrong one. Alright, let me check my device to see what is happening. Everybody Sophia said she's having why, but I'm seeing clearly from my other devices. So everybody Sophia, maybe I need to change your. So I'm so sorry you're having a Wi-Fi problem. Difference between place value and face value. Let me put this graph up a little so you can see what I am seeing. Okay. I want to put my. What do you want to find? And in this digit is a 5-digit number, thousands and 10,000s. What do you want to find? Are you finding the face value or the place value? Remember, the face of the 4 in the 10,000, it is 4. Of the 6 in 600, then the face value is 6 digit by its position in. Alright. Next thing now. What is the value of a number? What is the value of a number? In math, value is a number signifying the result of a calculation or a function. Let us use money. So we learn best with money. If I have $1, that's all I can get. Anything that sells for $1, that's what I will get with my $1. Okay? If I have $10, anything $10 can buy, that's what I'm going to get with my 10. The value is exactly what before. And the value, all I need to do is to multiply by its place. Alright? 7 ones, that means you multiply 7 times 1. 6 tens, 6 times 10, so the value would be 60. 5 hundreds, the value 5 times 100 equals 500. 4,000. That means 4 times 1,000, which is equal to 4,000. 3 times 10,000. That means 3 times 1,000. 2 times 100,000 will give, which is millions. 1 times 1 million will give you 1 million. Okay, so that is what a 7-digit number looks like. And a 7-digit number means million, 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, and ones. I do hope that this was that this was you understand every word I was saying, and this would be encouraging for you to sit down and write numbers in place, face, and value. Until next time, this is Miss Stewart from Life with Jeline, looking at grade 4 maths. See you soon.